Is this visible for
मेरा
everyone?
एक क्वेश्चन में डाउट है इस चैप्टर के, मैं आपको
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल पूछो।
व्हाट्सएप पे नीट वाला ही है,
हाँ
व्हाट्सएप पे भेज रहा हूँ आपको, ये देखना।
श्योर।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 है।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 17। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17।
17 टीन टीन।
फोटो भेजी है क्या?
फोटो नहीं, मैंने वो कॉपी पेस्ट करके भेजा, फोटो भेज देता हूँ कहते हो।
हाँ है? नहीं, नहीं, बस हो गया। Potassium chlorate and oxalic acid and sulfuric acid is heated, undergo maximum oxidation change. Okay, sure. एक बार हम ये कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं चैप्टर, उसके बाद हम क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे आज सारे। ठीक है।
हम्म,
वरिंदर आवाज आ रही है? वरिंदर। तो क्विक रिवीजन व्हाट वी डिड इन द लास्ट टाइम इन द फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर। redox reaction. Red means reduction, ox means oxidation. Red means reduction, ox means oxidation. I think she has some network issue. So what happen in case of oxidation? There are multiple definition of oxidation and reduction. Okay. Simplest definition is addition of oxygen is oxidation, or removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Okay. Same way reduction, addition of hydrogen is reduction, or removal of oxygen is also reduction. Correct. These are the two important things first you need to understand. When you do this, then electronegative elements are also part of this. If you add more electronegative element, oxidation, like here oxygen addition, so this is oxidation. Or removal of electropositive element like sodium here is again oxidation. Reduction is ulta of this. Okay. Then oxidation number. Oxidation number or oxidation state is the charge. It could be hypothetical or it could be real charge due to the electronegativity difference. Remember, if there is no electronegativity, no oxidation state. Okay, no electronegativity difference, no oxidation state. Example, I'll show you. Example, if you take molecule, example Cl2, what is the oxidation number on the chlorine? Answer
-1।
is zero. Zero. Why? Because chlorine, there is no breakdown of this bond because they are equally shared. No electronegativity. Understood? That's why it will be zero. So, Ekam, what will be the oxidation number in case of Br2?
या 2।
Huh, zero. Same logic. Because for any oxidation number, there should be electronegativity difference. When both elements are same, it means there is no electronegativity difference. No electronegativity difference, no oxidation. Understood?
सर एक बार इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी बता दो.
Huh. So if you ask what is electronegativity, it means if two atoms are involved in a bond, example A and B make bond between each other. How strongly one atom can attract both the electron toward it is the electronegativity.
ओके.
Understood, Ekam?
यस सर. सर ये आपने बता तो दिया जीरो है, पर ये जीरो कैसे है?
वही बताते हैं, एबिलिटी टू अट्रैक्ट electron, shared electron toward itself. Okay. Example, guys, if you take hydrogen and fluorine, so in case of hydrogen and fluorine, we have covalent bond sharing. But fluorine being highly electronegative element will try to pull both the electron toward it and will try to gain negative charge. And hydrogen, because it is donating, will try to have positive charge. Correct. But Ekam, you asked कि सेम एटम में कैसे होंगे, राइट?
नहीं नहीं, मैंने ये पूछा कि ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट जीरो कैसे आई, नो कि ब्रोमीन.
हाँ, वही.
हम्म.
If you take fluorine, two fluorine, F2,
हम्म.
now both uh, of atom have exactly same electronegativity.
हम्म.
So it means every individual atom is neutral.
हम्म.
If every individual atom is neutral, so there will be no charge.
यस सर.
Understood?
सर आप ये ऑक्सीडेशन की बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ, oxidation number, oxidation state.
हम्म.
Understood? If both atom are exactly same type, it means net movement of electron will be zero.
यस सर.
Okay, so if there is a same electronegativity, En means electronegativity, net movement of electron is zero, and if net movement of electron is zero, it means there is no charge. Oxidation number will be zero.
हम्म.
Anybody have doubt in this, guys?
नो सर.
Huh. Remember, oxidation number or charge is always due to exchange of electron. Like there is a loss of electron or gain of electron, either oxidation or reduction.
हम्म.
If no difference, no exchange, it means it will be zero.
हम्म.
Okay. What is the benefit of reading the oxidation number? If we know, example, there are many elements. If you do this KClO4, what will be the oxidation number in case of Cl?
ठीक है, कितना होता है? पॉजिटिव वन.
हाँ, K+1.
9. 9
9.
7 होएगा. 7 या
7.
9 होएगा. 7 होएगा सर.
प्रतिज्ञा, तुमने क्या बोला था?
7.
7.
7. Yes, so it will be 7, guys. How do we know? For potassium, charge is +1. Chlorine we have to calculate. And we have 4 oxygen and every oxygen have -2 charge. Net is 0 because neutral molecule. If you calculate, this -8 will go to another side, will become +8. This +1 will go to other side, become -1, and net charge will be +7. Right? So this is the oxidation state we are talking about. What is the advantage of reading about this? You can compare acid or base strength by using this. Like how to understand strength of acid and base based on the oxidation number. Example strength of acid. If there is more oxidation number, acid will be strong. Okay, so acidic strength, how strong acid is, directly depend upon the oxidation number. I will give you example, and this is already neat question. Okay, like if you have HClO, HClO2, HClO3, HClO4, out of these, which one will be strongest acid?
ये जिसमें O4 है.
Exactly, because here oxidation number +7, here +5, +3, and +1. So more oxidation number, more acidic strength. So it will be HClO4 is maximum acidic strength, then HClO3, then HClO2, and then in the end HClO. Anybody have doubt in this?
नो सर, मुझे तो नहीं.
No, there are name based on this. Good. So example, this name is chloric acid. Okay. If you add extra
हम्म.
and there is a oxygen bond, like oxygen, this bond. This is known as peroxo or per word is used for such compound. And this will help you in your complete inorganic chemistry. S block, P block, D block, F block. Complete inorganic chemistry, you will use same method. Okay? If there is a oxygen bond, there is per bond. Example. Do you remember in the case of chromium, we did this? Ki there were oxygen attached to the chromium directly, but they were attached to each other. That's why you were not considering oxygen as -2. Correct? You are not considering oxygen as -2, but instead -1. -1 this, -1, -1, -1, and here it is -2. What will be the charge on the chromium? Plus. How is that possible? Because here you have peroxo
सर,
or per,
व्हाट डू वी कॉल दिस स्ट्रक्चर?
butterfly-like structure.
हमारी कॉपी में क्रोमियम पेंट ऑक्साइड लिखा है.
हाँ सही तो है, क्रोमियम Cr का नाम है और 5 oxygen, that's why chromium pentoxide. The shape is a butterfly-like structure. Chromium element name, and 5 oxygen, that's why pent, and oxygen oxide, 5 chromium pentoxide. Okay, but question, tough question can be asked, what will be the shape of chromium pentoxide and what will be the oxidation number? Understood? So based on the oxidation number, you can tell whether a acid is strong or weak. Okay. Next, and it help you in other chapter also, normality. Example, in mole concept or solution chapter, you have studied molarity and molality. Sarah, what is molarity?
M1V1 multiply by 1000, M1 plus M2 upon V solution multiply by 1000.
No.
फॉर्मूला तो यही होता है.
अभी मैं बताऊंगा. Sarah,
Uh, Sir, it is the solute in a solution relative to given mass.
related to this, but you have to tell the exact thing
Um,
because you have in solution chapter.
Sir, number of moles of
No,
solute upon mass of solvent in 1 kg.
no, that you are talking about molality.
So
because in
you asked me
molarity,
molarity.
yes,
Oh, okay. Um, molarity is right, number of
it is the number
Moles
of,
of moles upon volume of
moles of
yes,
solute per liter.
correct.
multiply by
Num
1000. वही said.
Correct. Number of moles of solute present in 1 liter
1 liter.
Hmm.
of solution. So when we said this, we are talking about two concepts together.
ये
One
redox में कहाँ से molarity आ गया सर?
equivalent weight आता है ना, number of electron transfer equivalent weight.
Number
So this molarity will be equal to moles of solute divided by volume of the solution. Correct? Volume of the solution, but in liter. If they give in ml, you can convert into number of moles given divided by volume, and if it is in ml,
okay.
remember this is only when volume is given in the ml. Correct? Almost related to this, you have normality, because in normality we use equivalent huh? Equivalent mass, and for equivalent mass you need to understand what is normality. And
Hmm.
Jordan, what is normality?
So
Now,
normality,
Yes,
number of substance होएगा
correct.
number of substance upon वो given weight multiply by dissolved वो liquid जो भी होएगा
Okay,
m multiply by n है सीधी भाषा में.
m multiply by n.
हाँ जी.
So gram equivalence upon volume, right?
Yes. So
Hmm.
normality is the number of gram equivalent.
Hmm.
Number of gram equivalent of solute. Remember, solute present in 1 liter of
1 liter
solution.
of solution.
So solution is same here. But what is the main difference? Gram equivalent. It means we need to know about the what is gram equivalent. How it is different from the molarity? In molarity, we had number of moles of solute. Here we have gram equivalent of solute. Okay, you know moles are equal to given mass divided by molar mass. Ekam, what
जी.
will be the gram equivalent?
Equivalent
Given mass
given
divided
mass
by
upon total mass.
So equivalent
equivalent
mass.
equivalent. It means normality and molarity look very similar to each other. What is actually different in this case is this equivalent mass. This equivalent mass is making difference. And here in this chapter, we have to calculate equivalent. We how to calculate equivalent mass, how to calculate what is the equivalent weight. Okay, equivalent mass, equivalent weight, here almost same. Okay. How to calculate equivalent mass? Pratigya,
इक्विवेलेंट मास के जो आप नॉर्मैलिटी और मोलैरिटी करा रहे हो, ये मुझे एक बार इसका कोई क्वेश्चन दिखा दो कि ये कैसे पूछे जाते हैं लाइक पेपर में।
बिल्कुल, एक बार ये टॉपिक कंप्लीट कर लें, फिर इसके क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे।
हाँ
मैं
जी।
इसका क्वेश्चन अभी पुट करेंगे, ये कंप्लीट होते हैं। ओके, तो बताइए क्या, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट इक्विवेलेंट मास?
The mass of substance combined with or displays fixed amount of substance. Like
मोलर
hydrogen.
मास
N factor, no?
and then n factor. Molar mass divided by n factor. That's why if you see in general, normality, Ekam, what you said is in simplest language is n factor
मल्टीप्लाई बाय
multiply by molarity m. Okay, and we have to calculate what is the n factor. If you know n factor, then you can calculate equivalent mass. If you know equivalent mass, normality. Okay, topic. Okay. So, how to calculate equivalent weight of the compound? The simplest method is you see what is the change in the electron. Okay, what is the change in the electron? Example, if I will write equivalent weight EW. If you calculate equivalent weight of oxidant, how to calculate? What is the molecular weight? Normal molar mass. Okay, molar mass divide by number of electron gained by the oxidant. Electron gained, because what is the meaning of oxidant? Oxidizing agent, correct? Itself undergo reduction. Make sense, guys? Anybody have doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So, Ekam, any doubt in this?
नो सर।
Example: if question asked in case of acidic medium, in case of acidic medium, what will be the equivalent weight of the K2Cr2O7? Okay. Now you should know more detail what is given in 12th class. That is in D and F below, how chromium oxidation state will change. If you don't know, you cannot calculate this question, right? And this thing we don't have in 11th class. So, who will tell me? Barinder, are you there?
नो नो सर, कैन आई?
Yeah.
ये हमें कराया था सर। इसमें हमें वो सिंपल ऑक्सीडेशन वाले मेथड से ही करना है ना, जो कुछ भी करना है।
Correct. But हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि what in the product, what is the oxidation number of chromium?
क्रोमियम तो वो सर आपने स्टार्टिंग में जो हमने टॉपिक कराया था उसमें हमने ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ही ढूंढा था। अब ओ को हम O7 को हम 2 के साथ -2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो 14 आंसर आ जाएगा। 14 -2 क्रोमियम का, Cr का 2 होएगा, वो 12 बन जाएगा। मतलब 14 - 2 किया, एंड C2 का जो 2 होएगा वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे होएगा अपना, तो वो डिनोमिनेटर में आके उसको हम डिवाइड कर देंगे 2 के साथ, तो वो 6 बन जाएगा।
Correct. But that's true. Very good. But the point is, we are not calculating what is the oxidation number of chromium. We have to tell what is the equivalent weight of the oxidant complete compound.
यस सर।
So, how to check? You should know what is the product. Barinder, are you there?
सर प्रोडक्ट
Yes,
तो
sir.
कुछ
हाँ एकम,
सर प्रोडक्ट वगैरह तो क्वेश्चन में नहीं होएगा कि सी
नहीं
आर टू
होगा,
सेवन ब्रेक डाउन होके कोई
नहीं
सब्सटेंस।
नहीं होगा। इसलिए तो, बिकॉज इन नीट एग्जाम दे गिव फुल सिलेबस ऑफ 11th एंड 12th।
बट
एंड
सर है तो ये टॉपिक 11th में ही ना।
नहीं नहीं, 12th क्लास का टॉपिक है ये।
फिर सर 12th में ही करेंगे, अभी वो एक साल पड़ा है।
हम क्या करें? तो Barinder, tell me, in acidic medium, how K2Cr2O7 will convert? This one correct?
यस सर।
So for one chromium, chromium have 6 positive charge. It convert into chromium 3 positive charge. So what is the change in the electron?
3
3 electron. Gain or lose?
गेन।
Gain of 3 electron. For 2 chromium, what will be the change? Correct. So if you want to calculate K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium, what will be the equivalent weight? Answer will be whatever your molar mass is, you will divide by 6. Why? Because here gain of electron is 6. Okay. So that's why what will be the answer in this case? The equivalent weight of K2Cr2O7 by 6.
एम क्या होएगा सर इसमें?
Molar mass.
सर इसमें कोई नीट का कोई है क्वेश्चन है इसमें?
हाँ,
सर दिखा दो, थोड़ी सी क्लैरिटी से मिल जाएगी। क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में K2Cr2O7 ब्रेक डाउन होके कुछ सब्सटेंस बनाएगा, तभी जाके हमें पता चलेगा ना कि हाँ भाई
हाँ,
ऑक्सीडेट कौन है, रिएक्टेंट कौन है। आपने बोला था कि
हाँ, वही हमें नहीं पता चलता यहाँ पे। और यू हैव वन फुल डेडिकेटेड चैप्टर डी एंड एफ ब्लॉक. Chromium is a element of D block, and that's the reason why it is given in the class 12. Let me show you PYQ of equivalent mass.
देख
Equivalent. Yeah. Okay, sure. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So let me check this thing. Need PYQ on the equivalent mass. It is there. Yeah, I'll show you guys here. Need PYQ on equivalent mass. Yeah, see this. Equivalent mass of H3PO2 when it is proportionate into PH3 and H3PO3.
ओके, तो सर पी की वैल्यू +1 होएगी है ना?
हाँ
+1 गेट्स डिसोसिएटेड।
हाँ
H3PO3, okay, 6, +6, so ऑक्सीडेशन हो रही है पी की, अगर हम राइट हैंड साइड जाए मेरी तरफ से, क्योंकि वो 6 बन गया जो राइट हैंड साइड पे है,
हाँ
एंड 6 बन गया है। अच्छा, H3PO3 इकट्ठे हैं सर?
हाँ
अच्छा
डिसप्रपोर्शनेशन रिएक्शन है।
अच्छा, ओके ओके ओके, देन इट वुड बी 3 सर, P +3 बन जाएगा ना?
हाँ
नहीं, +2 आई गेस, नहीं 3 बनेगा, 3 बनेगा
ओके
सर। PH3 का तो 3, P ये भी 3 बन जाएगा, क्योंकि -3 बनेगा या ज्यादा से ज्यादा।
आगे
So it's option 4 no?
या जॉर्डन
Option 4, 3m/4.
3m/4।
यस,
अरविदा
So 1 minute.
सर ये दोनों में ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं हो रही?
नहीं, दिस इज
So m by
डिसप्रपोर्शनेशन।
2.
वही, एक में रिडक्शन और एक में ऑक्सीडेशन है ना?
So third one no.
एक
थर्ड
-3,
वन
एक वो +3 में, ओके।
m/4 अरविदा। So remember, this is disproportionation reaction, guys. So when you talk about disproportionation reaction, in this case, I will end this session. I have been see S3PO2. It convert
मेरा m by 2 आया.
m/2. Okay, it convert into PH3 and S3PO3. So you got answer m/2, m/4, 3m/4. Jordan, what
Sir
was
m
your
by
answer?
4.
M/4.
So my answer is 3m/4.
3m/4.
Yeah.
Here, in this case, oxidation is +1.
Yes, sir.
यस सर,
Here, oxidation is
-3.
यस
-3. Here, oxidation number is
3
+3.
+3. So what is the change here?
+2 का सर।
2. Gain or lose?
फिर
Loss.
लॉस।
2 electron loss. Why? Because this is oxidation. Here, it will go to -3, so there is a gain of 4 electrons. Correct? But this is a reduction. One. Second thing, when you go through it, you get to know कि S3PO2 when convert into PH3, there is a change of 4 electron. That's why your answer will be m by 4 because 4 electron came. When same thing convert into H3PO3, then there are loss of 2 electron. It will be like m by 2. Correct. If you take total, what will be the total value? M by 2 plus m by 4. So LCM will be 4. Here 2m plus m. What is the answer? 3m by.
Yes.
Understood? You will add both. You will add this part and this part. First part this, second part this. If you calculate total.
तो इक्विवेलेंट मास में हम ऐड कर देते हैं, बैलेंस नहीं करते हैं ना इक्वेशन को,
नहीं.
जैसे एन फैक्टर में हम कर देते हैं मल्टीप्लाई वगैरह कर करके.
हाँ.
ओके सर.
Okay, guys. So this is the situation, but the also situation is कि I have pain in my mouth, so I'll take this class later, and then
So
I'll
when
let
will you
you.
go to the dentist? So you seriously need to seek help.
I
So what
been to
happened
3 times.
exactly?
I don't know. Yesterday, my whole right hand side was like swollen up so much, so I could not speak at all. And because of this swelling, there was pain from last 3 weeks. So it became intense with the time. That's
Why
difficult to
didn't you
speak.
go to the doctor, sir?
I uh, don't prefer medication, so I prefer immunity build up with the time.
Sir, it's time for you to go to the doctor. It's been 3 weeks already.
Yeah, but yesterday I went to the hospital. Day before I went to the clinic, dental clinic, and ENT both. So they did some tests, CT scan and all stuff. So today I have to go again, and then I will get it done completely because this hospital take a lot of time. PGI. Okay, so see you soon, but I'll update you about the classes today.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
guys.
So till that time, what should we do? Like task.
I am texting the task in the group.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take care, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Take care.
Okay. Okay.